Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's cooking in Cupertino? A new report from 9 to 5 Mac has got Apple enthusiasts buzzing. It seems that Apple Watch SE 3 might just get a significant upgrade to its display size. According to analyst Ross Young, the latest SE model is said to boast slightly larger 1.6-inch and 1.8-inch screens. Now, before you start imagining a radical redesign, let's put this into perspective. These new displays are only marginally larger than their predecessor, which suggests that Apple may be sticking to its guns when it comes to the SE line's familiar design. WatchWire News has been following this story closely, and we know that the SE line has historically borrowed from the flagship series watches in terms of design. So, could the Watch SE 3 follow suit? Well, rumors suggest that it might resemble either the Series 7 or Series 9 models, both of which have a more premium look to them. And while we can't rule out the possibility entirely, there's also been talk about Apple exploring alternative materials like plastic to save costs. Now, let's dive deeper into what we know so far. It seems that Apple has indeed begun production on the SE 3's displays, but it's worth noting that Bloomberg's Mark Gurman says that switching to a plastic frame might be under scrutiny due to cost concerns. So, for now, it looks like aluminum is still in the mix. When it comes to watchOS, WatchWire News is excited about the potential upgrades we can expect from the SE 3. Launching with watchOS 12 promises performance improvements and maybe even a redesigned interface inspired by visionOS. That's a pretty bold move if you ask us. And let's not forget about health tracking, an area where previous SE models have fallen short. With rumors of improved health features and performance upgrades, it seems like the Watch SE 3 is shaping up to be quite the contender. Will Apple stick with its tried-and-true design or take a risk with something new? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure, though, we'll be keeping a close eye on this one here at WatchWire News. With Apple's next move looming large, it's anyone's guess what the future holds for our favorite smartwatches. But one thing is certain. We can't wait to get our hands on these sleek new devices and dive into all the features they have in store.